What is cash flow statement? It is a statement of inflow and outflow of cash and cash equivalent during a particular period of time. It means of 1 year of the financial year. What are the objective of preparing cash flow? Cash flow is showing you separately cash inflow and outflow in case of operating, financing and investing activity of the business. First point. And the second point is it is highlighting the change in the cash position of the company. How will you treat bank overdraft in cash flow statement? कैश फ्लो में आपका जो बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट है दैट इज अ फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी पार्ट बिकॉज यू आर टेकिंग दैट ओडी फ्रॉम द बैंक टू फिनेंस योर बिजनेस फर्स्ट थिंग एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज यू हैव टू पे इंटरेस्ट ऑन इट whatever inflow you are getting that will be as a positive value in case of overdraft, but whenever you are paying interest that is a negative value that you have to show down with the bracket and you have to treat it accordingly, and that is a short term borrowings. Keep this in mind. What kind of transactions are recorded in cash flow from financing activity? If you are issuing shares, that is an inflow recorded in financing activities. If you are issuing debenture, that is an inflow that is recorded in financing activity. If you are redeeming the debenture, repayment of debenture, that is an outflow recorded in financing activity. Same way, if you are redeeming the preference share, that time that payment is goes from the business, that is also recorded in financing activities. If you are paying interest on debentures or as an outflow recorded in financing activity, and if you are paying the preference dividend, that is also recorded in financing activities. So many activities and so many transactions I have mentioned it over here that you have used in your numerical practice. All the best. How will you treat goodwill in case of cash flow statement? Most important question for the Viva. In case of goodwill has been increased, for example, from the last year to the current year, if you see there is an increase in the goodwill, that will be shown as an item of purchase in case of investing activity, and that purchase will be subtracted in investing activity while preparing cash flow. But in the same way, if your goodwill has been decreased, that is an amortization of goodwill, and that will be added down as a non-cash item in operating activity. Keep this in mind, and that will be asked in the Viva for sure. There is another portion which is asked in the Viva also, and that is also in the external paper. Why depreciation is added down in the operating activity? Because depreciation is a non-cash item, and just because of depreciation, your net profit has been reduced, and there is no outflow in the name of depreciation to any person. And in case of cash flow, while taking net profit, we have to consider only those transactions which is somewhere involves some kind of inflow and outflow. So there is no inflow in case of depreciation. That's why it will be added down in the net profit to reach at the actual position of profit.